Jiabao Import and Export Company Limited was established in Naocheng, Shandong Province, emerging as a dedicated and reliable player in China's wholesale flooring industry. With a strong focus on research, manufacturing, and sales, we have been committed to promoting high-quality, environmentally friendly flooring solutions that blend sustainability with practicality. Our diverse product range covers wholesale laminate flooring, SPC flooring, LVT flooring, parquet flooring, herringbone flooring, and a full range of matching accessories, catering to the unique needs of various commercial projects and wholesale partners. We adhere to strict internal production standards, ensuring every product meets consistent quality benchmarks through careful material selection and manufacturing processes. Operating on a factory direct model, we eliminate unnecessary middlemen, allowing us to offer competitive pricing while providing flexible customization services. Clients can tailor colors, textures, and dimensions to perfectly align with their specific project requirements. We actively welcome OEM and ODM orders, offering comprehensive support from initial concept discussion and design refinement to sample confirmation and efficient mass production, ensuring a smooth journey from idea to delivery. We provide end-to-end services including detailed product catalogs, personalized sample selection assistance, expert technical consultation, and valuable market insights to help guide your decisions. Quality remains at the core of our operations, with rigorous quality control measures implemented at every stage, from raw material inspection to final product testing and order fulfillment, ensuring reliability in every shipment. We are dedicated to combining superior quality, professional expertise, and favorable pricing to build long-term partnerships. Welcome to reach out for inquiries.